we'll take example of another currency and how it will work in a different currency. Just hold on, allow me to. USD, 1 USD is equal to 18.6 Turkish lira as of now. Okay, that's the rate. So if what are the choices which we have? So we can, let's say, do and let's say we have an exposure of 3 months again, or we take 6 months. That will be better. 6 months. Okay. And what is the forward premium in Turkey? 6 months forward premium will be something around at the rate of, let's say, 25% per annum. For 6 months, it will be 12.5%. I'm taking an example. So it should be roughly 2.2. Okay. So what is the forward level? Forward is 20.90. Okay. I've assumed 25% forward premium. Now, if you take a call option will be very expensive. So we take example of a call spread and a seagull. So what can be a typical call spread which can be structured? Hussein, a call spread can be something like buy call at 18.60 and sell call at 22. So you are protected from 18.60 till 22. If Turkish lira moves between 18.60 and 22, then at what rate you'll be buying? You'll be buying at 18.6. If it goes beyond 22, let's say it goes to 22.25, then that 0.25, that risk is to your account. Otherwise, you'll be buying at 18.6. So the bank will basically give you 18.22 minus 18.6, 3.4 TRY, they will come and give it to you. Your risk will be 22 to 25 if it crosses 22. Now, if you find the cost of this option very high, what you can say is, okay, up to 19.5 I can handle, or up to 19 I can handle. But or maybe up to 20 I can handle, but I don't want to handle at 25 kind of level. So he said, okay, buy call 20 and sell call 25. So you are protected at 20 till 25. And since it is a call spread, if TRY appreciates, Turkish lira appreciates and moves to 16 or 15 or 14, even temporarily, you do not have a risk. You are protected.